Today we're going to talk about 5 items from Rockler that you can also pick up on Amazon. Now, I have the luxury of having a Rockler store in Houston with me, so I have the ability to swing by my local store and pick up some items when I need them. And while I'm walking the store, we most of the time buy stuff that we didn't originally go in there with the intention to buy. So that's the benefit of having a store in your area. So why would you buy from Amazon? So the biggest and most obvious reason is going to be delivery. Rockler on their website offers free shipping if you order $49 or more, but it also states that free shipping is 4 to 7 business days. The 5 items I'm going to show you today are available on Amazon's website, free 2-day delivery with your Prime account. So let's get into it with item number 1. So first off, let's talk about clamps. I know a lot of woodworkers are loyal to some of the bigger name brands like Bessie and Jorgensen, but what you're going to get at Rockler is a clamp closer to those guys in performance with a price closer to lower end clamps that you're going to find at the big box stores. It's a really good happy medium for people just getting into woodworking or experienced woodworkers who don't have a ton of money to load out their clamp storage like we would all love to do. If you've never tried Rockler clamps, give them a shot today. Okay, next is going to be router bits and router bit accessories. I don't believe that on the Amazon store they have the entire selection of all of the Rockler router bits, but what they do have on their site is the same exact pricing structure as what you'll find on Rockler's website. Quality bits, affordable pricing, and some of their accessories are great. I have some of these router bit inserts that I've put in my router table I built a few weeks ago. Holds 1/2 inch shank and 1/4 inch shank as well. Head on over and grab yourself some of these today. Next up are these bench cookies. These things have rubber on both sides, so they're going to protect not only your workbench, but your project material as well. When it comes to things like staining or sanding, you don't have to clamp your material down, so you have access to the entire surface of your project material. And Rockler offers a ton of accessories for these things. They have risers, finishing cones, they have clips where you can connect them to your sawhorses, etc. Give these things a shot today. I know you're going to love these bench cookies. Next up is this safety power switch. There are options available at your specialty stores and an absolute ton of options available on Amazon's website. But this Rockler switch is top notch. The quality is excellent. The stop button is massive and very legible. And the extension cord that plugs into the wall is extremely long. I have not had to run an extra extension cord anytime I've used one of my mobile carts like the router cart we built a couple weeks ago. Pick yourself up one of these. Next time you build yourself a mobile cart, you're going to appreciate the build quality on this particular item. Next up are these miter bars. If you make any kind of homemade sled for your table saw, use these bars instead of any kind of hardwood. Wood is going to eventually give you some slop in your sled, taking away all of the accuracy, which is the reason that you built the sled in the first place. These things are made out of aluminum, and they have a nylon inserted screw that you can adjust to make sure that your fit is perfect in your particular table saw. And that's it. 5 quality items made by Rockler that you can pick up on Amazon. Links to all these products are down below. Pick yourself up some hardware, get out in that shop, and get to building. We'll catch you on YouTube.